Are you looking for the best Shopify apps that will help you increase customer engagement? If so, in this video, I'll be sharing with you 7 Shopify apps that will help you do just that. Let's go. First on my list is going to be Shogun Landing Page Builder. Now you're probably asking, hey Melvin, what can this do for me? Well, for one, it's an easy to use drag and drop page editor to design blogs, product pages, landing pages, and theme pages. Here are some of the highlights of Shogun. All page types, blogs, products, collections, homepage, and landing pages. Editable theme sections to make changes directly to your theme. Drag and drop layout, control for precise design for all pages, advanced plan features, content syncing across stores, and user management. Now, if we look right here, if we go to pricing, they do have different tiers. They do have a free plan available, and as you scale, they also have other plans. Now with the free plan, powerful drag and drop page builder, up to 3 page templates, basic page building elements, pre-styled content blocks, SEO controls, and email support. So that is number 1 on my list. It's going to be Shogun Landing Page Builder. Moving on to number 2, it's going to be Instagram Feed and Stories. Now you're probably, hey Melvin, what can this do for me? Well, you can embed your Instagram to your shop with a unique layout. Some of their highlights is going to be one-click setup, Instagram widgets, 3 different modes. You can tag your products to each Instagram photo. Now they do have a video here. Now I'm going to take a look at these photos here. See, these are ad placements. Okay, fully customize your Instagram product tag and variant tag on your website. Instagram Feed Hub dashboard. It'll look just like this. This is a grid style, carousel slider, Instagram stories, and templates. Now if we take a look at their pricing, they do have a 1-day free trial. They also have another tier as you scale. So with the free plan, it's forever free. Social sharing, follow us, auto sync Instagram media, basic Instagram supported, 5 Instagram medias, and live chat support. For $5.99, you get all these features in the free plan, up to 100 Instagram medias, Instagram story highlights as well. That's for number 2. It's going to be Instagram Feed and Stories. So number 3 on my list is going to be Vidjet, shoppable videos. Right now you could turn your short videos into straight bankrolls. Now some of the highlights from Vidjet is going to be you can offer your visitors a TikTok-like experience using their immersive swipe up player, use segmentation criteria to trigger well-timed videos throughout your funnel. You can add elements on videos, email collector, coupon code, add to cart, CTA. Videos are mobile optimized with no impact on loading time. You can also measure sales engagement and ROI with real-time analytics. Now we go to pricing, they do offer a 14-day free trial. Now the free plan, you get 5 videos, 300 videos played, 1 domain, 1 user per account, all core features. As you scale, you got the starter, growth, and pro plan, all right? So these are the prices. Once again, it's called Vidjet. Number 4 on my list is gonna be Octane.ai, quiz and surveys. Okay, unlock the power of personalized product recommendations. Here are some of the highlights of Octane. Quiz templates for every industry, create product recommendations based on tags, collections, or conditional logic. Change the entire design from images, font, and layout to full custom CSS. Sync all quiz data to Klaviyo, Attentive, Zapier, and more. Work with account managers who will help you build and launch your quiz. Now you do get a 14-day free trial. They also have a couple plans. $50 a month and $200 a month. Some of the features with this is going to be build beautiful no-code quizzes, create opt-in and quiz pop-ups, sync data to Klaviyo for personalization, integrate with Klaviyo, Zapier, and more. All right, so that comes in at number 4. Number 5 is going to be Recart. All right, mobile marketing, SMS mobile marketing. Okay, so this is huge. SMS marketing with fully managed service, text campaigns, automations, abandoned carts, and list growth. It says right here, 13,000 plus Shopify brands use Recart to achieve 36.8x average ROI and add 14 to 33% more revenue. It could definitely help your store grow. Here are some highlights from Recart. Fully managed service to grow your business through SMS, custom pop-ups for desktop and mobile with 2-tap capture to increase conversions, automations to welcome subscribers, rescue abandoned carts and drive reorders, campaign templates for weekly or daily text, promotions, events, and holidays. All right, could definitely take your store to the next level. Also, built-in compliance, real-time analytics, and 7-day click attribution for sales. Now for pricing, they offer a 21-day free trial. They also have the free plan here. As you scale, they have the starter, pro, and they have this right here, which is called Scale. Now for the free, you got migration and onboarding, toll-free number, unlimited subscribers, mobile and desktop pop-ups. This right here alone, unlimited subscribers, is amazing. Right? You can also do automations and campaigns, and you can do free SMS and MMS sends. All right, so that right there is coming in at number 5 as Recart. Number 6 on my list is going to be email pop-ups, Spinwheel Popups. All right, you get a 7-day free trial. Now some of the highlights is going to be increased sales and subscribers by offering discount to boost conversion rates. All right, reduce cart abandonment and turn abandoned carts into orders using email marketing. You can also validate email addresses to prevent invalid and fake emails to optimize your list. That right there is amazing. Collect everything you need to remarket, names, birthdays, phone, SMS, and emails, and you can turn your traffic into sales with Tada's high converting and gamified pop-ups. Now for pricing, they do offer 7-day free trial. They have a basic free plan, which includes 200 impressions a month, Shopify, email, MailChimp, Klaviyo, and Zapier, exit intent, mobile, desktop, countdown timer, pop-ups, and more. As you scale, they have starter, premium, and business plan. $9.99 for starter, $19.99 for premium, and $29.99 for business. All right, so that right there comes in at number 6, and that's going to be email pop-ups, Spinwheel pop-ups. Now for number 7, it's going to be PushOut web push notifications. Right here, you get 14-day free trial. Now, hey Melvin, what are the highlights? Collect subscribers instantly with the native opt-in. Craft a web push campaign in minutes using Campaign Creator. Recover abandoned carts just by switching on the automatic sequence. Understand customer behavior and use cart details to personalize your marketing. Track the performance of your web push marketing. Could definitely help increase customer engagement. Now you get the 14-day free. They also have the basic, it's free, unlimited subscribers. When I see that right there is huge. Send and schedule campaigns, bag and stock automation, price drop automation, basic reports, and chat support. As you scale, there's business and another business plan, $19.38. So definitely check out PushOut web push notifications. All right. So I will leave a link to all these 7 in the description so that way you can get quick access. I'll also pin them in the comments. Whichever makes it easier for you, they will be there, all right? That pretty much wraps things up for this video. If you found value in this video, consider smashing that like button and destroying that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, so that way you don't miss out on any future videos. And out of the 7 Shopify apps I mentioned in this video, let me know which one you like best. If you like all, let me know you like all. Alright, I'm curious to know. My name is Melvin. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.